Welcome to qnawire.
In problem 60, we're given a microscope and we're told that the objective lens, which is depicted here, has a focal length of 5 millimeters, and that an image is formed 160 millimeters away from the second focal point of this objective lens. So we have image S1, which is measured from the objective itself to this point over here. So the total image distance, S1 prime, is 5 millimeters plus 160 millimeters, which is 165 millimeters. Okay, so we'll just kind of keep this off to the side and we'll make use of it. In part A of the problem, we're asked to find the angular magnification, and we'll use equation 34.24, which states that the angular magnification is S1 prime. That's the image that you get from the objective times 25 centimeters, which is the near point of the eye, divided by focal length of the objective and the focal length of the eyepiece. And we're given both of these pieces of information. So now we're actually equipped with everything. We have the image distance, and we have f1 and f2, so we can readily find the magnification. So we have 165 millimeters times 25. So this is in centimeters. I have that extra thing there. So 25 centimeters is 250 millimeters divided by f1, which is 5 millimeters, times f2, which is 26 millimeters. And then you get that this is 317. Okay, in part B, now you're given that the unaided eye can resolve 2 points that are 0.1 millimeters apart, right? So the distance, so let's just call that the distance between 2 points that the unaided eye can see. Eraser. Okay. All right, so we expect that when we use a microscope, which has a magnification, in this case of 317, we should be able to see something that's 317 times smaller than the unaided eye. So we should have this kind of resolution. So let's call the aided resolution then, right? We should be able to see something smaller. So dA, when we're looking at something at the microscope, we should be able to resolve it better than the naked eye. So du over m. So we should be able to see something that's 317 times smaller than the naked eye. And that means we have 0.1 millimeters over 317, which gives me 3.15 times 10 to the minus 4 millimeters.